So, all right. So we've gotten a whoop. I heard that Anthony didn't hear. We weren't filming, either one of us, right? Then there was a big bang, like, you know, how would you say that bang was? Like, yeah. It wasn't like the door slams we heard yesterday. It was more like a boom, like. And then he just heard something walking through the brush too. So, since we got to this section right here, which I've never really done this part before.
It's like a non-stop hum.
Yeah, I think that's the underground shit that they do here. I think it's like machines. There shouldn't be anything coming out of there. Look at this, Ant. It's like a tunnel straight through. Right? It's like something just... It's probably deer, right? But it's pretty cool. It's just like a little tunnel entrance right into the world.
It's like a labyrinth in here.
It is, man. This is like Cudzo. This shit is like... All this stuff underneath is like wide open. That's how like it's very deceptive. Because to us it looks full. But there could be anything lying right underneath any of these. At least we're torched up tonight, which is good. You know? The other time I felt like we were struggling to see.
Tell me about the 3 trees that I told you about earlier today, and then we.
I kind of want to like sit down with you,
okay,
and like have that properly put in, into your little doc.
Okay.
Because like that's something that I want to like be focused on when we explain it. Because it is very important, and if you're willing to talk about it, I'm happy you are, because it's very important. Very important. I'm not live yet, so I was just gonna film because we've been getting so much stuff.
Oh, I thought you were talking to people.
No, not yet. No. No, it's kind of just talking to you, I guess. Yeah, this is deer, but something, it looks, this goes all the way through, bro. It's wild. Like, it's really nice in here. It's sketchy, but it's nice. There it was. Yeah. The one behind you was so loud, though.